What happened to your iPad, you said, sir?
Both my sisters were fighting at night, and one of them, I don't know what happened, one of them pushed the other one, and the iPad is dented and broken, and I don't even know if it could be fixed.
So it's not working now?
No.
Only, so it's not responding.
Yeah, it's cooked.
Don't worry, I got you.
Thank you, bro.
Alright, we are going to see if I can fix this iPad at Apple Store. Let's see what they're gonna say.
Well, the first thing I need to do.
Really bad, huh? Screen is working, but not responding. So we are about to find out right there, Apple Store. I had an appointment for tomorrow, but we're gonna try if I can do it today. Let's see. I had it for tomorrow.
Okay.
And I want to see if they can repair it or how much will that be. Screen is not working.
Okay.
So it's, and it's bent.
Do you know if you have Apple Care?
No.
No? Okay.
I'll
You
pay out
don't
of.
have Apple Care?
No.
So if you don't have Apple Care, typically it's over $300 to replace.
Can it be fixed?
It would be replaced.
Oh, so you can't fix it.
It would be replaced, yeah.
I see.
But if you don't have Apple Care,
No.
it's better to buy a new one. You know? 'Cause
It's
you're
not.
spending-
It's not like fixable, or I cannot get it fixed. No.
We only replace. It doesn't matter like what issue the iPad has like because
Do you know exactly how much it's gonna be or no? So this is the A2316. That's the model number.
yeah, it's out of warranty. Tony, do you mind helping the guy in the back? $419.
490.
And the base model is $349. But the reason why it's also not worth replacing is because you won't be able to add Apple Care onto it after.
I see. All right, thanks so much.
Yeah, no problem.
As you guys heard, 419 and they can repair. Do you think I can get it done? Hello. Let's see if I can fix this. They basically don't repair those. They just sell you a new one. I can fix that. All right, let's go. We're gonna go to Money Talks Wireless. We are about to be at Money Talks Wireless. Right there, Money Talks Wireless. Money Talks Wireless. Let's see. We're gonna fix this. Laptop, phone, tablet, game console. Surgery time. Look at this frame. We're gonna clean the broken glass and then fix this frame. Look at this board. Time to fix this bend. We are trying to fix this without changing the whole housing. Not bad. Your iPad is ready, sir. Now it's good to go, no more bend. Here we go.
Can't believe you fixed it. I thought we would have to get a new one. At least they're not going to be fighting anymore. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Let's go. Yo. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'ma really